as per their agreement. New Jeans had immediately appealed that, and before it went to an appeals court, they were going to re-look at the evidence to see if there was any legal mistakes made or if there was some evidence that wasn't properly accounted for. Well, the initial court already did that, and they said, no, this injunction stands. New Jeans, you really have to stand down. And so the first court yesterday confirmed that they're not going to change their decision. So now New Jeans has the right to appeal to the high court. So that's the appeals court, and that's going to go into motion at the same time as the continued hearings on their bigger lawsuit with ADOR about validating the contract. So again, the injunction was to essentially just put an immediate halt on New Jeans going off and doing their own thing. And then the bigger lawsuit is to say, look, we're going to confirm the validity of the contract. At its core, it's essentially the same issue, but in practicality, stopping the going off and doing your own thing has been seen as valid by the court, saying that, okay, we haven't resolved your issue with your contract, so until that's resolved, you need to put a break on it, because if, which most likely it will be, in 3 years, the contract is valid, but you've been off doing all this illegal activity for 3 years, that doesn't look good in how the law functions or just in the spirit of justice, so it makes sense.